Thank you so much. You know, when I first started out in hardcore, this guy at DEFCON 1 2009 showed me the ropes, and I'm forever grateful to be here with him. It's fucking amazing. The master, one of the best to ever fucking do it. Ladies and gentlemen, turn the lights on, put those hands up, and if you want Mad Dog back, I need to see those motherfucking hands up. On the count of three, you know the matters. 1, 2, 3. Wait, they can be louder, right? On the count of three, this is familiar. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.